Our task today is number 1 and number 2, laying down that one that's taking a nap right there. Those two. That's our task. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind, and today, yes, we're in it. We're back at the salvage yard. But I say me and Trevor, at the salvage yard, brought some help. Okay, let's just move this guy out of the way. There we go. Not sure what that is. Matches. Not sure what that is. Oh, there's more. Okay, good. We're moving. Oh, it's got a key. I saw that. The best. Way over here. It's got a key. This thing's gonna run. Oh, it's getting better looking. We just make sure it's got a bottom end to it. I mean, parts of the, look at that. Oh, need this side cover. Gotta find it. Here you go. Got to move a little bit. Oh, I got a tree right here. Oh, I am maybe missing part of the engine. This tree grew up and cracked this. I don't know if it did that, but this tree is growing right here, and that's what's in the way. So, this guy has got to go. Hot dog. Firewood. Yeah, if we stay out here any longer, we may need it. Okay, let's see if I can. Okay, didn't I bring you for something? Guys, let me jump in here real quick just to say thanks for watching. You made it this far. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate it. And if you do me a favor, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you've already subscribed, go ahead and pat yourself on the back. Cheers. Drinks are on me. I really, really appreciate it. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get back to the video. If you can pull it towards you, then I can clear this. I think we can go up and over. I can't go over, the case is hitting it, so I need to go your way. I pulled it back. Well, I can't go too. I just need a half an inch. Okay, let's see. Do I have more that's holding it? Okay, let's see. I'm trying to clear this stuff. Am I clear that? I say you just pull back. I see. See, Marine. Maybe if you can come up a little bit more. Oh, yeah, look at that. I brought shrimp with me. Whoa. Let's see. Let's go one more time. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, let's just lay it over. Take a closer look. We're dealing with it. We moved it. It's got a belt. Stand it up, grab your side, see if we can stand this thing up. Never mind. I got it. TY. Strong like pops. Yeah, TY. Oh, it's got a battery. It just needs a battery. Look. It just needs a battery. There's a tree growing through it. It's got a tree growing through it. Let's see. Is that gas? It could be while it's not running. Key works. See if you got anything good. Anything good? Nope. Just what is that? Yeah, man. That part of the toolkit. Somebody was changing spark plugs. One part. Got some wires here. Missing that cover. Okay, so that, again, we're looking to hopefully have 2 to make 1.
Your ear's bleeding.
Is it bleeding bad?
Yeah.
That's the dangers of being out here, man. You're not willing to put in the work. Not willing to put in the work.
Oh shoot, fell over.
Hope you didn't mess it up. Let me see. This is the other side cover for that. And there's the other one. That's the floorboard. See, there's another one around because there's a darker blue one.
Yeah, that's the bumper for that one.
Yeah.
Probably.
Yeah. We should put them next to each other. So I think we can. I think we should be free. With Trevor and I, we can go out this way. Because this will be all the, I mean, I could take pieces and parts off of it, or I could just take the whole thing. Ready for it? Yeah. Which would probably be easier. Oh man! Handlebar.
That part was broken anymore.
We gotta buy it now. You break it, you buy. That's the rule.
One bad thing about cold.
Yeah.
Helps make the plastic brittle.
Yeah, for the other side.
I did that.
Yeah, you did that, huh? Transmission's bad. Yeah. Shame. I'm about to fix the transmission by putting a WD-40 on it. So guys, we made it back from our haul at the salvage yard and then our other stop. So let me share with you what we ended up with. We ended up with a pair of Honda Elite 150s. The main reason why, you guys know it. Flip up headlight, the first ever retractable headlight. We're going to go through, the plan is to make one out of these two. We ended up with a very super cool tank over there. We only got it because of the art that was on it. We're going to pressure wash it, see how much of it. There's some other paint on top of it, so we're going to try to get that. It looks like house paint or something else on top of it. We'll try to get that off, get back to what was there, and just leave it. It's not going on anything. Side pieces for the Honda Elite 150. Then we have a 1983 ATC 110. You can see it doesn't have an engine, which made it easy to load into the back of the Tacoma. Yes, all of that you see over there was over here. Well, and we had a rack, Harbor Freight rack hanging off the back. But let's get to the star of the show here, actually. 1970 Honda SL350. The seat for it is right there. Got a CL350 tank, a couple extra seats, a box of parts that go with it. This guy, engine's free. In the listing it said it had a bad transmission, and I asked him today, how'd you determine it had a bad transmission? And he said, well, let me show you. So he said when you go to roll it, it makes a lot of noise. Let me share with you what it does. And I said, I don't think that's the transmission. I said, I think that's the chain. And so we're gonna fix the transmission right now with a little bit of this. It's gonna take a lot of this, but it's super rusty. And we'll roll it through and let's see if we can rebuild the transmission. Let's see. I'm gonna need some more of this, but let me roll it. Let me show you guys. We got to rebuild another section of it. We got to rebuild this section of it too. Good old PB blaster for the win. So let's see if we rebuilt the transmission. Oh, still needs a little bit more rebuilding. Let's try one more time. But it's considerably better. Sounds like we rebuilt the transmission. That's awesome. We're gonna pressure wash it tomorrow. But yeah, I think this thing's gonna be real cool. Yeah, guys, I'm pretty happy with what we ended up with today. I believe the shocks are bigger. This is the wrong fender. We need the correct front fender. We need a different shocks. These are the wrong pipes. These are CL350 pipes, which the great thing about that is that these guys are probably going to end up on the cafe racer because we still need exhaust. And these look to be in really good shape. They just need to be cleaned up. After we pressure wash it tomorrow, we'll be good to go. It's got carbs. Throttles are free. Everything is, I mean, it's remarkably complete. The rest of the stuff that's missing here is in here, so we're good on that. This tank, I can't wait to clean this up. We'll do a video and clean this up. This tank's in really good shape. We have a ding here. The inside of the tank looks really good. Let me hit this. I mean, I'm saying really good. It looks solid. It needs to be cleaned out, but it's not bad. You know, so badges, it's in good shape. Got a petcock over there. So I'm pretty happy with that. Just these guys. And then we'll find an engine for this guy and front fender, things like that. If you have some ATC 110 parts, hit me up in the comments down below. Let me know what you have and I'm down. Because this one is for Trevor, for being my grunt work to load all this stuff in and out. And then we have these guys. We're gonna do an in-depth video on all this stuff as we get to it later, but yeah, are they rough? Yeah, 100%. But can we take two to make one? That's the plan. Looks like it's holding the air on the front wheel. What are you talking about? Looks pretty good. Not a bad haul for a day. I think it's kind of cool. It's kind of fun. Let me know what you want to see next. Honda Elite, ATC 110, or 350, SL350. I'm going to give you a heads up. It's probably going to be that one because this guy is I think a battery and a carb clean away from maybe cleaning some points, away from making some noise. It should be. It looks to be in good shape, so I don't see why not. So guys, there you have it. We got up early this morning. Trevor and I made a lap from here, about total, maybe about 500 miles, 450 miles, something like that. We made a lap of Alabama, Pensacola, then making our way back here to pick up all this stuff. You should have saw the looks that we got from having all of this strapped on the back of that 2-foot bed, it seems like. But it worked, and everything is in pieces. I mean, everything is not in pieces. Everything is together, works out pretty good, so we're super stoked about that. Some of you guys may be saying, well, Eric, why did you go in Trevor's truck instead of going in the Ford? Very simple question. This morning when we left, it was 24 degrees. I don't have heat or AC in this thing. I do have the vintage air system in the attic of the shop that has not been installed yet. Ask me why? Because I haven't done it. So that's why we didn't take the truck, because it was too cold to do that. And he gets better gas mileage. And he was gonna have to come with me anyway, so I might as well make it as comfortable as possible for him. And that's what we did. There will be another trip on this guy, don't worry about it. Okay guys, so there you have it. Our junkyard crawl / go pick up other people's garbage and bring it home today. And I want to thank you for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. And do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind. And go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And while you're in the subscribing mood, just wander on over to our friends, Brickhouse Builds, Gold Guy, Moto Mango, Ace Cafe Bikes, Mile Zero Racers, Plan B Motos, Pete's Classic Cycle, Lady Moto Bang, and give those guys a subscribe too. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day.